Velvet Appleton on guitar, everyone. Thank you. This is our fourth, and it's our last original. All these have been originals so far. Yes, that's right. Woo! Original music. Who wrote this song, Rebecca? This next song, Velvy and I wrote. It was one of those fun COVID compilation collaborations. Velvy sent me a bunch of chord changes. I listened to him. I made up a melody that I liked and he liked. And then I sent the melody back to him and he wrote words to the melody. And then he sent it back to me and I arranged it for harmony. Because that's how things went during COVID. It's actually kind of an efficient way to do things. Lines. Last night the lightning sliced up the hours through spaces in time. And last night the lightning came with a fury that set the past on fire. Last night the lightning rage had its moment. Silence the sky. Waiting there, we were counting out the time beneath the dream that we were under. Waiting there, in the spaces, yeah, we were waiting there for the thunder. Bathed us in blue lights. Last night the lightning left and the heartbeat sped through the night. We were tapping out the time beneath the spell that we were under. To remind us a change will always come. Last night the lightning left us blinded, restless till dawn. Waiting there, we were counting out the time beneath the dream that we were under. Thank you.